You ever have one of those moments where you're trying to learn something new, but no matter how many tutorials you watch, nothing really sticks? Yeah, that was me a few years ago when I decided to learn coding. I watched hours of videos, read articles, even signed up for a course. But when I sat down to actually code, I froze. My brain went blank. And that's when I realized I had been learning the wrong way. See, most people think learning is just about collecting information. We sit, watch, take notes, and assume it'll somehow be absorbed. But real learning? It doesn't happen in your comfort zone. It happens when you're forced to figure things out yourself, when you struggle, make mistakes, and adjust. That's when I discovered a method that changed everything. The TED method. Trial. Error, document. Let me break it down. 1. Trial. This is where you absorb the knowledge. But instead of mindlessly watching endless tutorials, you focus on quality learning. You take notes like you're making a cheat sheet for your future self. Simple, actionable, easy to reference. 2. Error. This is where the magic happens. You go out and apply what you've learned immediately. You'll fail, and that's the point. Failure is feedback. The sooner you mess up, the sooner you know what to fix. When I was learning to code, my breakthrough came not from watching another tutorial, but from breaking my own code and fixing it over and over. 3. Document. Every mistake you make is a lesson, so you write it down. Keep track of where you struggled and what you learned from it. That way, every time you go back to learn, you're targeting your exact weak points, instead of just passively absorbing random knowledge. And here's the thing, it works for any skill. Language learning? Talk to someone immediately, make mistakes, and document what you got wrong. Want to improve at basketball? Watch a tutorial, then hit the court, fail, and take notes. The key is speed. Apply what you learn within 24 hours. If you don't, your brain files it under useless information and forgets it. So if you've been stuck in tutorial hell, stop waiting. Pick your skill, try it today, fail fast, and learn even faster. That's how you actually get good, by doing. Now, tell me in the comments what's one skill you've been trying to learn, and how are you going to apply the TED method to it?